Welcome to the project demonstration of traffic signaling controlling system for emergency vehicles. So in this project, so these two sections are the traffic signal sections. So these are controlled by the PIC 16F877M microcontroller, which was interfaced to the 12 traffic signal LEDs, and also one more LORA module interfaced to this along with buzzer indication. And coming to the vehicle section, so here we have interfaced the digital compass, that is HMC5883L. This is a digital compass module interfaced to Arduino Uno board along with LORA module and LCD to display the status and the heading of the vehicle, and to disable and enable the emergency we are making use of this slide switch. And the system driven by the 12 volts battery, which is of rechargeable battery. So the battery ratings are it is a 12 volt 1 amp. It consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series, so we will get 12 volt 1 amp, and which is a rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge this battery, so using this transformer, just providing the 230 volts input to this, the transformer will step down the 230 to 12 volts AC, and then this regulator power supply board, nothing but charging circuitry, which will convert the 12 volts AC to 12 volts DC by smoothing capacitor. So now the battery is charging now. So it will take at least of 8 hours to be fully charged. After that time completion, you can disconnect the charger from the transformer power supply. And once the battery is charging, you can just connect this male socket into the female socket of our Arduino Uno. So once we switch on the gate, it starts displaying the heading of the vehicle. Here we can see that. Right, so now it is showing the heading, nothing but the vehicle is coming from the east side, so it is 84. So when the vehicle is changes direction, so now it is coming from the south at the same time, and now it is coming from the west side, and now it is coming from the north side. So like this. So whenever the system enables in emergency mode, now it is normal condition. So when the driver enables the emergency, it will convert into the emergency mode. Then the LORA communication will be communicate to the signaling section. So as we know, the LORA communication region is maximum of 500 meters. So whenever the ambulance entering into the signal region, so the LORA receive the signal if the vehicle is emergency. Along with that, in which direction the ambulance is coming. For example, it is coming from the east side. So the respective signal, east, west, south, north, the respective signal will be turning into the green till the vehicle passes the region of this signal. That will be same communicating through the LORA module. So coming to this section of signaling, so here we have interfaced these 12 LEDs H, D4, D5, D6, D7 and C4, C5 and B0 to B5 pins of our PIC 16F877A along with LORA module interfaced at C6, C7 pins, and we have interfaced the buzzer at D1 pin. So it will indicate it as the emergency of this vehicle status at the signal section, so that the nearby citizens will came to know that the signal will turn green and there is an emergency situation. Okay, and so here initially we switch off the vehicle section and we provide the power supply to this one. So this adapter will take 230 volts input and directly it will provide the 5 volts constant output power supply. So right, initially the all LEDs on and off 2 times, and thereafter so it's keep on rotating in anti-clockwise directions, counterclockwise. So north first and west, south and east. So this is routine rotation, and whenever we enable this emergency system, then once it will complete one circle, and then after it will check the emergency vehicle status. Okay, so let us see that. Now just I'm switching on this. As of now the emergency is disabled, and now east side the vehicle is coming now. So now I'm enabling the emergency. At the same time the buzzer got switched on, and the system will complete its rotation, and after that it will give the green indication to the east side. It will stay there till the vehicle passes away from this direction. For example, if the vehicle changes direction, it's coming from the another direction. And as we discussed, same thing. Now it is coming from the south side. So let it finish the total circle. Right, now it is, and after that it will turning into the south side. Right, generally north, west, south, east, north, west, south, east. So now when it is completed, it will check the presence of the emergency vehicle, then it will give the green indication. At the same time, so if the vehicle is coming from west side, so let's it finish the one complete cycle. Right, now we got the green signal for the west side, same from the north direction. So the purpose of this checking for 4 directions is it will check for the vehicle presence in 4 directions. Once it frees that, and then once it complete the one cycle of the green, then it will come to the emergency mode now. Right. Now it is normal mode. So in this manner we can control the traffic signal for emergency vehicle by providing the maximum duration green signaling for that emergency vehicle. Right.